and just pretend you're like the wind. Just 3 hairs and some air, and just let them go. Like you're literally blowing on the canvas, but lightly. You gotta go blow like that, and just let it. Ooh.